To order shoes from Amazon, first open the Amazon website and sign into your account. Use the search bar at the top of the page and type in the type of shoes you're looking for, such as running shoes, sneakers, or school shoes, then press enter. Browse through the results and select the pair you're interested in to open the product page. Check the shoe size, color, price, customer reviews, ratings, and estimated delivery date before making your decision. Once you've chosen the correct size and color, click Add to Cart or Buy Now. If you selected Add to Cart, open your cart and review the item to make sure everything is correct, then click Proceed to Checkout. Choose your delivery address and available payment method. Review the order details and check the total cost. When everything looks correct, click Place Your Order to complete the purchase. After placing the order, you can go to your orders to view the order status and track the delivery.